Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be doing experiment with black paper. So first we have a jug of water. Then we have dishwasher liquid. Then we have black pepper. So first we pour water in this plate. Now we sprinkle some black paper. Now watch what happens when I put my finger in this dishwashing liquid and then I put my finger back here. 3, 2, 1. Wow, it separated like a magnet. All of them went together like a circle. Like they all went together like this. To the side, they all went to the different places. So guys, we just saw the chemical reaction between soap and black paper. So that's what happens when you wash your hands with soap when they have some germs, like sand or anything. So that's the end of this video, guys. Bye!